Welcome to our ultimate step-by-step guide on how to install ceramic tiles in a bathroom toilet like a pro. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refresh your skills, this detailed guide will walk you through every single step of the ceramic tile installation process, from preparation to finishing touches. Installing ceramic tiles in a bathroom toilet is one of the most effective ways to enhance the look, feel, and functionality of your space. Ceramic tiles are durable, water-resistant, easy to clean, and available in a variety of designs and colors. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to install them properly to ensure a long-lasting professional finish. Step 1. Planning and preparation. Before you even pick up a tile, proper planning is crucial. Start by measuring the entire bathroom floor area. Use a measuring tape to get the length and width of the floor and calculate the square footage. Always purchase at least 10% more tiles than you need to cover for breakage and future repairs. Now, choose your ceramic tiles. Pick tiles that are specifically designed for bathroom use, as they are better suited to moisture and foot traffic. Once you've made your choice, gather all the tools and materials you'll need. Tools and materials: ceramic tiles, tile spacers, notched trowel tile cutter, or wet saw rubber mallet level tape, measure chalk, line thin set, mortar grout, float sponge, and bucket safety gear, gloves, goggles, knee pads. Step 2. Surface preparation. A clean, level surface is key to a successful tile job. Begin by removing any existing flooring material, such as vinyl, linoleum, or old tiles. Scrape off adhesives or residues. If the subfloor is uneven or damaged, use a leveling compound to smooth it out. Make sure the floor is completely dry and free from dust. If you're tiling over concrete, ensure it's clean and has no major cracks. For wooden subfloors, consider installing a cement backer board to create a solid foundation. Secure the board with screws and fill in the joints with thin-set mortar. Step 3. Dry layout and tile. Placement. Dry laying your tiles before applying any adhesive is a smart move. Use a chalk line to mark the center of the room. Begin laying tiles from the center point and work outward to see how they fit and to make any necessary adjustments. Place tile spaces between each tile to maintain consistent grout lines. This step helps you avoid awkward cuts or small tile slivers along the walls. Aim for a balanced layout that's visually pleasing. Step 4. Applying thin-set mortar mix. The thin-set mortar according to the manufacturer's instructions. Starting from the center of the room, use a notched trowel to spread the mortar evenly on the floor. Only cover a small area at a time to prevent the mortar from drying out. Press each tile firmly into the mortar using a slight twisting motion. Tap gently with a rubber mallet if necessary. Use a level to ensure the tiles are even. Continue working in sections, placing spaces between the tiles and checking alignment as you go. Step 5. Cutting tiles. When you reach the edges of the room, you'll likely need to cut some tiles. Use a tile cutter for straight cuts or a wet saw for more complex shapes. Always measure twice and cut once. Wear safety goggles and gloves when cutting tiles. After cutting, smooth the edges using a tile stone or rubbing brick to prevent sharp edges. Step 6. Allowing the tiles to set. Once all tiles are in place, allow the thin-set mortar to cure for at least 24 hours. Avoid walking on the tiles during this time. This step is critical for achieving a strong bond between the tiles and the floor. Step 7. Grouting the joints. After the tiles have set, remove the tile spaces. Prepare your grout mixture and use a grout float to apply it diagonally across the tiles, pushing it deep into the joints. Wipe off excess grout using a damp sponge. Rinse the sponge frequently to keep the surface clean. Allow the grout to dry according to the instructions, then buff the tiles with a dry cloth to remove any haze. Step 8. Sealing and finishing touches. If you used a cement-based grout, it's highly recommended to seal the grout lines to protect them from stains and moisture. Use a grout sealer and apply it evenly with a small brush or applicator bottle. Reinstall any fixtures such as the toilet and baseboards. Clean the entire floor thoroughly. Now step back and admire your work. You've just installed a beautiful ceramic tile floor in your bathroom. Helpful tips for a professional. Finish. Always plan your layout to avoid narrow cuts along walls. Use leveling clips for larger tiles to prevent lippage. Choose the right color grout to complement your tiles. Keep a consistent joint width throughout the floor. Clean your tools immediately after use to extend their life. Common mistakes to avoid: not checking floor level before tiling, using the wrong type of adhesive or grout, skipping expansion joints or spacing, rushing the drying and curing process, not sealing grout in high moisture areas. Why ceramic tiles are perfect for bathrooms. Ceramic tiles are non-porous, which means they resist water and stains. They're also highly durable, making them ideal for high-traffic areas like bathrooms. In addition to their practical benefits, they offer incredible design flexibility with various textures, patterns, and colors to suit any style. Frequently asked questions. Q. Can I install ceramic tiles over existing tiles? A. Yes, but only if the existing tiles are in good condition, firmly attached, and the surface is level. Use a bonding primer for better adhesion. Q. How long should I wait before using the bathroom after tiling? A. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours before placing heavy objects or using the toilet to allow the mortar and grout to fully cure. Q. Do I need to seal ceramic tiles? A. Generally, ceramic tiles do not need sealing, but grout lines should be sealed for added protection. Q. Can I install tiles myself, or should I hire a professional? A. With the right tools and guidance, DIY tile installation is entirely achievable. However, if you're unsure, consulting a pro is a good idea. Conclusion: we hope this detailed guide helps you install ceramic tiles in your bathroom toilet with confidence and precision. Tiling may seem intimidating at first, but with proper preparation, the right tools, and careful execution, anyone can achieve professional results. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. Don't forget to leave your questions or feedback in the comments below. We're here to help. Stay tuned for more DIY tile tutorials, tips, and tricks from our channel. Thanks for watching. Support our channel and join the tile installation community. Thank you for watching our detailed guide on installing ceramic tiles in a bathroom toilet. If you're passionate about DIY home improvement, tiling techniques, and hands-on renovation skills, you're in the right place. Our channel is dedicated to sharing high-quality, step-by-step tutorials that help homeowners, beginners, and even professionals achieve stunning results in their tiling projects. Subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We upload weekly content focused on ceramic tile installation, mosaic and terrazzo tiling, bathroom and kitchen remodeling, floor and wall tile designs, grouting and finishing techniques, expert tips and troubleshooting, professional tricks of the trade. Your likes, comments and shares really help support the channel and allow us to keep creating valuable content. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Relevant keywords for this video: how to install ceramic tiles, bathroom tiling tutorial, toilet tile installation, DIY bathroom flooring, bathroom ceramic tiles, tile laying for beginners, bathroom renovation, step-by-step tile guide, home improvement projects, installed tiles around toilet, ceramic tile installation tutorial, bathroom tile makeover, how to tile a bathroom floor, grouting ceramic tiles, tile cutting tips, tile installation tools, how to tile like a pro, bathroom, floor upgrade, tile setting tips, tile installation for DIYers, Watch more videos like this. Check out our other in-depth videos to level up your tiling skills. Perfect grouting techniques every beginner should know. Installing mosaic tiles. Full tutorial with tips. How to remove old bathroom tiles without damaging the subfloor. Transform your bathroom with terrazzo tiles, step-by-step guide. Our videos are designed to be both educational and inspiring. Whether you're remodeling a small bathroom or taking on a full-scale renovation, we'll help you do it with confidence. Mastering the art of tiling, build skills that last a lifetime. Tiling isn't just about laying ceramic tiles on a floor. It's a craft, a form of artistry, and a skill that transforms ordinary spaces into beautiful, functional environments. Whether you're working on a small bathroom or tackling a large commercial project, every tile you set is a mark of precision, patience, and pride. In this video, you've learned how to install ceramic tiles in a bathroom toilet from the ground up. But this is just the beginning. Our channel is more than just a source of tutorials. We're a growing hub for tilers, DIYers, contractors, and enthusiasts from all over the world who believe in doing the job the right way. We don't just show what to do, we explain why each step matters. For example, why tile layout affects the entire look of a space. Why proper thin-set mixing can make or break your bond. Why tile spacing and alignment determine durability and beauty. Why choosing the right grout is just as important as selecting the tile. Why sealing your grout lines protects your work for years to come. When you understand these reasons, you become more than just a tile installer, you become a tile expert. Why this channel is different. Real-world experience. You can trust and like generic or overly scripted videos. Our tutorials come from real job sites using real tools with real challenges. Every cut, every line, every explanation is based on first-hand experience. What works, what doesn't, and what to do when things go wrong. We've worked on residential bathrooms and kitchens, luxury marble tile floors, mosaic swimming pools, commercial tile installations, terrazzo, porcelain, ceramic, and natural stone surfaces, and we share it all with you with honesty, clarity, and care. No fluff, no shortcuts. Just solid tiling knowledge. Tile with confidence. Even if you're a beginner, if you're just starting your tiling journey, this video is designed especially for you. It breaks down complicated processes into easy-to-understand steps. We don't assume you already know everything. We walk with you, one tile at a time. You'll learn how to handle tile tools like a pro, choose the right materials for moisture-prone areas, avoid common beginner mistakes, make clean cuts, even around tricky toilet bases, work efficiently without sacrificing quality, and most importantly, you'll learn how to believe in yourself. Because confidence comes from repetition, and repetition leads to mastery. You're not alone. Join our global tiling family. Thousands of viewers from countries across the globe are watching, learning, and improving through our content every single day. From the United States to Canada, the UK to Australia, the Middle East to Asia and Africa, this is a worldwide community. Whether you're a homeowner, renovating your own space, a young tradesperson learning the craft, a contractor, upgrading your team's skills, or just someone passionate about precision work and visual beauty, you belong here. So subscribe, comment, and get involved. Ask your questions, share your progress, and connect with others who speak the same language of tiles, levels, grout lines, and straight cuts. Bonus tips. What most tilers won't tell you. Let's go even further. Here are some advanced tiling secrets that many beginners never hear about. Pre-wet your subfloor if you're tiling over concrete to reduce moisture absorption from the mortar. Use a laser level for perfect alignment in long bathrooms. Back buttering tiles can significantly improve adhesion, especially for large format tiles. Keep a damp sponge nearby to wipe excess thin set from tile edges before it dries. Always test your grout color on a spare tile before applying to the entire floor. If tiling around a curved toilet base, use a contour gauge to mark precise cuts. These little details can level up your tiling skills. From beginner to master installer, so you've completed this video and learned how to install ceramic tiles in a bathroom toilet. That alone is a huge milestone. But tiling is a craft that grows with you, and this channel is designed to evolve with your journey, from a curious DIYer to a confident tile installer and eventually to a respected tiling professional. We believe that true learning doesn't come from shortcuts. It comes from deep understanding, real practice, and consistent guidance. And that's what we offer through every frame of every video. In the world of tile installation, every project teaches you something new. The more you tile, the more you start noticing subtle differences in tile quality and thickness, how lighting affects the appearance of your grout lines, how moisture, slope, and temperature affect the curing process, how to read a room before you even place the first tile, and how to fix mistakes quickly and